What's going on, everybody? Aaron here with Attention to Detail, Luxury Detailing and Coatings here in Highland, Indiana. And today I wanted to do a What's in the Shop video for the week of March 9th. Wanted to do a showcase of all the cars, some of the services that we're working on. We're currently booking out into the end of April, beginning of May. So if you have that ride, we work on all types of cars. If you've got that ride that's coming out for the summertime, you want to get on the schedule now. Don't wait until you want to get on the schedule. We're going to be a month or two booked out. The shop always stays consistently busy, and we're forever grateful. So thank you to all of our amazing clients. I want to do some showcases on a few different vehicles. We've got this brand new 2026 Palisade that's getting a full tuxedo look on the top. We've got a few dents to pull on these sail panels, and then we're going to be finishing the vinyl on all the top half from here up. We did a full tuxedo. Shout out to Tony. We've got this track package PPF fully complete. We're doing sides and rear tint on it, and then we're doing a ceramic coating, full paint correction and butterfly 7-year ceramic coating. We've got the M8 back in the shop doing a wash, doing a ceramic coat on the rims, and then we've got this rear bumper that we're going to do some PPF to. Working on some paint correction and ceramic coating on this Mercedes as well. This one's coming out awesome. Got this Cadillac in here. Got a bunch of little micro swirls and scratches. Shout out Hoffman Real Estate. We're going to be doing a full multi-stage paint correction and ceramic to that one. 7-year butterfly. That's getting our showroom package. So we have two coating packages. We have our starter package and we have our showroom package. The starter package is all of the paint getting coated, only everything on the vehicle that's painted. And then the trim, wheels, and windows get coated with the showroom package. So this one's getting everything. The headlights, the taillights, the front grille, the black plastics, the mirrors, the chrome, the emblems, the rims, the tires, the windows, you name it, this vehicle is getting coated from top to bottom, back to front. Got this Toyota that's getting full front of PPF. We got this Subaru Outback as well that's getting a full Icon Rock Clear application. That's our flagship 15-year warranted coating, protecting the paint from up to 30% of rock chips, dings, scratches, and scrapes, and it's up to 25 times thicker than any ceramic coating that's on the market. So it's a super strong, super durable, and glossy coating. We've got this Toyota. This one's getting full undercoating, 2 front window tints, and Icon Rock Clear showroom as well. We've got this other Toyota. Man, we're filled with Toyotas. I don't know how to get around here. Here, come this way. We've got this Toyota truck that's going to get undercoated or already has. We got this Mercedes over here that's getting paint work done. We got this GMC Yukon. This one's getting some Icon repair. Howdy. We got this Ford F-150. That one's getting an interior detail. We've got this Toyota. This Grand Highlander, this one's getting a full front end of PPF and Icon Rock Clear on everything. I believe the 2 front windows are getting tinted. This F-150 Raptor is getting Icon Rock Cleared. It got PPF on the full hood and the front bumper, and it got tinted as well, sides and rear. And then we've got this F-150 as well that we're working on. We're doing either an undercoating to this one or a paint coating. Icon 2, this one's getting Icon 2, baby, let's go. We got Icon all up in here. Undercoating's going on in both bays right now. Undercoating season is just about to hit the ground running. Got to protect the vehicle for the upcoming 2026 winter. So we've got a few cars outside as well. I think there's a GMC Canyon at the other shop. I know. Oh wait, did we miss out the BRZ? Oh man, come look at the BRZ. The BRZ's in the Icon booth. This one just got fully coated. And then this one's getting tint as well. And we've got a Cadillac Escalade down at the film shop for some chrome delete, some gold accents and chrome deletes. And then there's some other cars getting PPF. I think there's another Escalade down there and then some other stuff. So if you're looking to get anything done to your vehicle, give us a call. We're the #1 shop in Northwest Indiana and South Chicagoland for all things Icon Rock Clear, ceramic coating, paint correction, window tint, PPF, undercoatings, cavity protection and rust proofing, normal detailing, powder coating, vinyl, you name it, we do it. We want to help you with your vehicle. That is the ultimate goal. If you're someone who actually enjoys their vehicle, someone that really cares about their vehicle, you spend a lot of money on your vehicle and you want to protect it, now is the time. It's never too late. We also do full restorations on vehicles as well, take them from looking like a 2009 all the way up to a 2028. So this is what we're known for. We have the absolute, hands down, guaranteed highest quality in Northwest Indiana and Chicagoland, and the service that you'll get here is absolutely bar none. Just remember, we're a steakhouse, not a McDonald's. Steakhouse, you got better service, better food, but you do have higher prices. But no matter what, you know you're going to get it right the first time. That's the Drift motto, DRFT, done right the first time. Got over 785 star reviews on Google. If you're looking to get any work done, give me a call. I'd love to take care of you. I can come in for a consultation. We'll go around the vehicle, give you a tour of the shop, meet you, shake your hand, and go over the entire process. If you want to schedule a consultation, give me a call, 219-533-8783, or you can visit us on our website, www.attn2detail.info. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Or you can email us, service, SERVICE, @attn2detail.info. But comment below if you have any questions. We're always DMing people. We're always happy to help. And ultimately, we want to protect your vehicle and enhance it. Thank you so much. Hope to hear from you soon. Aaron with A2D, out.